Connecting Hubspot to Facebook ads allows you to synchronize your advertising efforts with your CRM data for better targeting and tracking. Here's how to connect Hubspot to Facebook ads. Navigate to Ad Settings in Hubspot. Log into your Hubspot account and navigate to the Marketing Hub. Click on Ads from the top menu and select Ad Settings. Connect Facebook account. Click on Connect account and choose Facebook from the list of available ad platforms. You may need to log into your Facebook account and authorize Hubspot to access your ads. Grant permissions. Follow the prompts to grant Hubspot permissions to manage your Facebook ads account. Ensure that you grant permissions for both managing ads and accessing insights. Sync audiences. Once connected, you can sync Hubspot contact lists or smart lists with Facebook custom audiences. This allows you to target specific segments of your contacts with ads on Facebook. Create and manage ads. Use Hubspot's ads tool to create and manage Facebook ad campaigns directly from HubSpot. You can track performance metrics such as ad spend, clicks, and conversions within HubSpot's dashboard. Monitor performance. Monitor the performance of your Facebook ad campaigns in HubSpot's analytics. Use the data to optimize targeting, budget allocation, and messaging for better results.